This is the National Weather Service office in Brownsville, Texas. The preceding signal was a test of the known weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and a receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following deep South Texas counties: Cameron, Willacy, Kennedy, Hidalgo, Brooks, Jimhog, Starr, and Zapata. Now for the official national